After cutting the rods to 140 mm, coat them with layup glue. Next you will need a 13 mm spanner and a square. Clamp your two rods lightly, as shown. Using the edge of the square, press down evenly while dragging or pushing along the two rods. Cover one of the lines on the right-hand rod. Placing the square as shown on the flat plate. Drag the edge along the side of the rod, marking out a line at 90 degrees. Check the height gauge is zeroed before setting it to 6 mm. Mark across the line you had previously made. Repeat this with the second rod. Now set the height gauge to 130 mm and scribe the other end of the two rods. Place your marked rod into the drill jig, ensuring your cross mark is central in the bolt hole. Thread the guide bolt into the jig, nipping it up to ensure the rod does not slip. You are now ready to drill your rod using a 3 mm drill bit. It is best to drill the indent first, that's the 10 mm end, which is at 90 degrees to the other end, to ensure you get this right first time. Once this is done, drill the 3 remaining marks all the way through the rod, also with a 3 mm drill bit.